So this tone that you're hearing is going to be F06, which is another type of Russian number station. And so F06, which is a digital type transmission. It should be starting to transmit soon. It actually was, the carrier came up about 3 minutes ago, and it's been there, and it should in a few seconds, about 15 seconds, start doing some digital transmission. It's interesting because there's kind of a carrier here and that there. If I go in AM mode, actually sounds like that in AM. This is such a weird transmission. Some kind of weird digital transmission coming out of Russia, I guess, here. So F06, I'm just going to confirm. So F06 is out of, yep, Moscow, Russia. Orenburg, Russia. It can also come from Havana, Cuba. Oh, that's interesting. So this could technically come from Havana, Cuba. By the propagation that I see here, I think it comes more from Russia than from Cuba, but this is very weird. Very weird transmission. Very weird transmission. So F06, Russian number station, that just sounds so weird.